Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox my December Bellabox. Without further ado, let's quickly open and see what I got. Okay, it's just a simple blue box. As usual, it's a card which says holiday haul. Looks like this, and at the back it has all the details of the product which I got. Okay, the first thing is this nails ink nail polish, and this is a sample size 10 ml. Love the color. So this one is in color PORCHESTER square. So I will leave it here, and it says here, complete your festive looks with nails ink ultra glossy nail polish. So it glides on and delivers intense color, chip free, so it will not chip. I think I've used one of these and I got that in Bellabox. So that nail polish was literally very good, and I love the color, and it's almost finished. So I got another one in my Bellabox this month, which is awesome. So this is available in Sephora and David Jones, and 10 ml retails for $17. So this is 10 ml retails for $17. So the second product is this 40 FATHOMS Skin Regenerator Lotion. I will definitely love this lotion. Looks like this. Okay, while I'm reading this, my daughter will open for me. So can you please open? So this is a full-size product, and it says here, show off your skin's radiance with 40 FATHOMS weightless soft lotion. Enjoy the sunshine carelessly with healthy glowing skin, repairing and hydrating your skin rapidly from sun damage with 40 FATHOMS weightless soft lotion containing magical organic natural certified organic brown seaweed. I can't read much of the words there, that's why I'm skipping. So this moisturizer delivers a boost of hydration, balance and repair without unwanted grease and shine. So 50 gram retails for $53.99, available at Priceline, and this is a full size product, $53.99. It's far more than what I paid for this month, like $53. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. And the nail polish 10 ml is $17. That's the cost of my box, like $17, but this one is $53. Wow, it's amazing. This month's box is awesome.
Just gotta open.
Why? What were you doing till now?
It's hard to open.
I can't open. I just like did my nails and like it's stick on, so it will definitely come out. So I just did this makeup tutorial, and
Here you go. Did we also open this?
okay, yeah, you should have opened this. So this product expires July 2021. Okay, it contains the miracle healing ingredient, I don't know how to pronounce this word, extracted from brown seaweed found in the pristine deep water of the Pacific Ocean. The bottle looks awesome.
It also has this.
I think it's the instruction now. It says here, pump a pear-sized amount of lotion on the palm of your hand. Evenly massage the lotion across the face, working from the bottom to the top for deeper moisturization. apply the second layer, and it is 50 gram. It's quite a big bottle. Okay, I want to try. Yeah, it smells really good. I can't tell what's this smell like. Can you tell me? You can't because you're sick. Okay, and you can buy this from Priceline, of course. Okay, the next one is this BURTS Bees Moisturizing Lip Balm. I've used this and I love it.
Can we open it?
Yeah, please open it because I can't. So it says here, lips will love the nourishing and luxurious feeling that the BURTS Bees Moisturizing Lip Balm leaves behind. Like all BURTS products, this lip loving product is paraben free, 100% natural and all around amazing. So available at Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, Woolworths, Big W and Kohl's. So this is $6.95 for this much. Smells like some kind of lolly.
I can't smell anything.
Okay, the next product is this DERMAVEEN Daily Nourish Body Moisturizer SPF 50 plus. It has SPF 50 plus, which is so good for this summer weather. And like I have used that moisturizer from DERMAVEEN last time I got in my Bellabox. Like literally I love it. It's just so good. And like Bellabox is just amazing. They are sending such good products, like the skincare they are sending are just wow. I love it, and like I will definitely be trying this one and letting you guys know how this product actually is. Okay, so this product retails for $17.99, 200 grams, and this is just a sample size of 20 ml. So it says an all over body cream with colloidal oat milk that moisturizes, smooths and provides reliefs to extra dry skin. So this moisturizer is a broad spectrum UVA and UVB sunscreen with SPF 50 plus for ultimate protection. Its rich formula absorbs easily into the skin and offers 4 hours of water resistant and suitable for all body and face use. So I'll definitely be using on my face because I don't know, I love using on my face this kinds of product. So no, it doesn't have any smell. Okay, the next product is this Nude by Nature Liquid Mineral Concealer. So this is just a sample size of 2 ml. I don't know, but I think I will try with you guys in my upcoming makeup tutorial video. So that time I can tell you guys whether I like this product or not, but this is just a sample size of 2 ml. Can you open, please? And so it says here, Late Night Nude by Nature has you covered. This creamy liquid concealer instantly covers dark circles. Instantly covers dark circles. I haven't used any products by this brand, Nude by Nature, but I am so keen to try this brand's products now, like especially concealer. I love it, so it's so good to try before buying. So it says here, while discussing puffiness, blemishes and hyperpigmentation, thanks to our nourishing formula of jojoba oil, shea butter and vitamin A. So the ingredients sounds good. So it says you will receive one of the following, light or medium. So what?
It's so tiny.
Yeah, it looks like this. This is in the shade medium. I think it will last me 2 to 3 times because I don't apply much concealer. You can buy this from nudebynature.com.au. Okay, the bonus product today is this Plunketts Sensitive Skin Cleanser. I don't know whether I'm saying it right or not, but this is just a skin cleanser. So this says here natural, non-foaming, pH balanced cleanser for extra dry, problem or very sensitive skin. So it's like this. And also I can see there is a card, drink me, a gift for Bellabox customers from Naked Wine. So it's just $100 voucher. So the next one is this 40 FATHOMS save on any 40 FATHOMS products at your favorite Priceline store, and you'll get $5 off. So yeah, that's awesome. If you buy any of these stuffs, you will get $5 off from this brand. So that's awesome. That's a $5 voucher here from Priceline, and I'm the member of their sister club, I think. So I think I already have some points to redeem, so this will be good too. If I like that lotion, I will definitely be buying it. So I will try once, then I will buy. Okay, this is it for today. I hope you liked this video, and this makeup tutorial is coming up after this video. So do watch, do subscribe if you wish to see my future videos, and also join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box as always, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.